invincible.
Hi guys, it's 99 Kids and this is our first video on our new YouTube channel. Today we're making two challenges and the challenges will be
the Crossbar challenge and the Woodwork challenge.
Each of us has 5 attempts and the one who hits the crossbar gets a point, 1 point. As the youngest one, I'm gonna start first.
This is how you hit a crossbar, man!
This is how you miss the crossbar.
And our second challenge for the day is going to be the Woodwork challenge. Who hits the 2 posts and the crossbar first gets the point.
It's very hard for me to hit the post or the crossbar because I only score goals.
The future of football! What, mate?
Two hours later.
Damn! Bitch, damn! Oh!
We're in the middle of the challenge now. He has hit the crossbar, I have hit the crossbar, now we have to hit the post.
The last shot because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hit that post.
I won the first challenge, he won the second challenge. Now we're gonna take the third challenge, and the challenge will be
Penalties.
each one of us is going to take 5 penalties, and who scores the most goals is going to be the winner. I won the 2 challenges, and now this is gonna be the punishment. So guys, this was our video for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Please like, subscribe and share.